Welcome to Abraham Hicks Teachings, your gateway to profound wisdom and transformative insights. Immerse yourself in the teachings of Abraham Hicks, where self-development, motivation, spirituality, and enlightenment converge. Join our vibrant community as we explore the power of deliberate creation, alignment, and the law of attraction. Embark on a journey of personal growth. Discover the keys to manifesting your desires and elevate your consciousness. Subscribe now for a daily dose of inspiration and guidance as we navigate the path to a life of abundance and joy. Let's co-create a reality filled with positivity and purpose.